the reason they use horsehair is because it's really coarse and it has little sharp barbs on it. And so it can grab and make the noise like that. Now we're going to let you guys try this. Who remembers what's the name of this instrument?
A violin.
And what's its family?
Strings.
Strings. Very good. All right. Who wants to try this one?